If your Electrolux washing machine isn't draining properly, smells unpleasant, or leaves water sitting in the drum, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you how to clean the drain pump filter step by step. It's one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can do, and it can help prevent expensive repairs, eliminate bad odors, and keep your washing machine running smoothly for years. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the small access panel at the bottom of the machine. Before opening the filter, place a towel or a shallow tray underneath. Unless you want to give your floor an unexpected shower, this step is essential. Now slowly turn the filter cap counterclockwise. Pull the filter all the way out. And fair warning, it might not smell very pleasant. Just look at that dirty water. That's months or even years of built-up dirt and debris. Rinse the filter thoroughly under running water, removing all lint, hair, coins, and any other debris trapped inside. Now reinstall the clean filter by inserting it back into place and turning it clockwise until it's firmly tightened. Don't leave it loose, or you could end up with a leak the next time your washing machine runs. Finally, snap the access panel back into place, and that's it. In just a few minutes you've completed an important maintenance task that can improve your washing machine's performance, prevent clogs, and potentially save you a costly repair bill. Now go wash your hands. You'll probably want to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more DIY repair and maintenance guides, and I'll see you in the next one.